Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the X or Twitter Attestation Denied login error. First, open any web browser on your phone and visit the X website. Sign into your account through the website instead of using the app. Once you're logged in, tap your profile picture and open Settings and Privacy. From there, go to Security and Account Access, then select Security. Next, find the Manage Passkeys option and tap on it. Choose to create a new passkey. X will ask you to enter your account password to confirm your identity. Type your password and continue. After that, tap Create Passkey. Your phone will ask you to verify that it's really you. Depending on your device, this may be done using your fingerprint, Face ID, or screen lock PIN. Complete the verification process and wait until you see the confirmation message that the passkey has been created successfully. Once the passkey is set up, close all apps and restart your phone. After your device turns back on, open the X app again and try signing into your account using your passkey instead of the password. Thanks for watching.